What's going on, guys? We're back at it. One man down, we don't have chasing today, but weather's perfect. It's a little overcast, sun's peeking through every once in a while. It's about, what, 70 degrees.
And we brought some safety equipment this time.
Yeah. We also have a snake hook today too. So
Stand up, reach.
I'm gonna go ahead and call it. We're getting the timber today. Found a bunch of little, like these quarries, like these big blocks, have so many spots. Like it's basically one huge den site. And it's another one. Good Lord. And we're copperheads, racers, black rats, and timber rattlers all den together, or been known to den together.
And we saw two of them.
I mean, we're in prime habitat to find some venomous stuff, so that's good. Alright, yeah, so what we're doing is little cracks like these. Just shine the light up in there, like this perfect spot. All these little crevices. It's, when you're looking for den site, looking through den sites, you gotta check every single spot. And basically it's just like you're looking for green salamanders or cave salamanders. It's kind of the best way to put it. What are we looking at?
Look how far that goes down.
Jesus.
That is a den site.
We didn't plan on going spelunking, but
We got flashlights.
we do. It's a pretty great place for cave salamanders, because it's a cave. Well, we are in it today. Look how far back this cave goes.
Oh, that is fresh.
There's, you step in it too?
Maybe.
Oh, I can smell it. Alright, we're gonna head further on back. Look how far back that goes. We'll pick it up when we get further in there. So I'm over here looking at this little bitty baby slimy salamander, and then all of a sudden I hear cave, 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 and then I turn around to see
the cave salamander.
Look at him.
These guys are actually threatened.
Wait, that's a, yeah, that's a cave.
Yeah.
You can tell the difference between a cave and a longtail, because longtails have like bands going, like black bands, vertical little bars across their tail. These cave salamanders do not, but
Oh my god,
they
that's
are
awesome.
beautiful. I knew they'd be back here. That's a lifer. No, that's not a lifer cave. But
It is for me.
that's a lifer cave for you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
In a cave.
In a cave. That's even better.
Let's get a couple pictures of this
Yeah,
guy and
absolutely. Another cave?
then. Another cave.
Where?
Right there. Cave salamanders galore.
That is another cave. And I got one right over here. I'm gonna show you guys. Bear with me with the shaky quality of the footage, but you tried vlogging in a cave. Another cave.
Oh, I see him.
Another cave salamander. Oh, and they are out like crazy.
That is
Makes me
awesome.
wonder where else there are caves. There's another one.
Another one?
Yeah, this one's bigger. He's way back there. I'm gonna try to.
Can you stand up down there?
You guys see that orange right there? That is a cave salamander. Holy crap. So that's one cave. Alright, Lucas, you keep track of the caves that we find. How many
So we
is...
caught 4.
Oh yeah,
One,
we
two-
don't say caught in the herping world, okay?
We found 4.
It's herping cuss words. Alright guys, so I'm gonna try to hold this still, but you see that little orange head right there? That's another cave salamander. I keep wanting to say slimy.
Well, we've been finding slimies too.
Well, we found one. He disappeared. That's
A couple cave crickets up there.
It depends on how ballsy we're feeling, because this thing slants straight down and then it goes further back there, where it looks like it opens up a little bit more. Alright, let's go check the rest of these den sites. We already, today's already
Hey, another one.
Seriously? Here is another one. That is awesome. I'm going to get some definite photos of this guy. And then we're going to work our way back up there and then see if we can find
Snakes.
cave salamanders, I do.
There's so many. Spelunking series.
Lucas, what'd you find there?
Yogi
Okay.
Bear's home.
That goes...
It goes deep.
Yeah. Like, I'm shining my flashlight in there and you guys can't even see it on the camera with it. I mean, you could stand up in there.
You ready? That is a tight squeeze.
That guy in a little cave. It's not mean because it's funny. And he laughed.
God dang. You gotta see this.
Well, I'm going to if you get out of the way.
God.
Bless America.
Sweet America.
Yeah.
Maybe. Alright, just do it this way, make it hard.
Oh my God.
We're not gonna hurt you.
It's okay. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Too much.
I thought we were cool, bro.